Welcome. In this tutorial, we are going to see how to pronounce this word. This word is pronounced as baffling, baffling, baffling. Let's see its meaning. It's an adjective. It means impossible to understand, perplexing. Let's see its use in sentences. His explanation for being late was so baffling that no one could understand it. The math problem was so baffling that even the teacher couldn't solve it at first. The detective found the crime scene baffling with no obvious clues. Her decision to quit her job after such a successful project was baffling to everyone. Let's see more sentences. The weather was baffling. It went from sunny to snowing in just an hour. The concept of time travel remains one of the most baffling ideas in science. His baffling behavior left everyone wondering what was really going on. The cause of the mysterious noise in the attic was baffling and no one could figure it out. Thanks for watching. Happy learning. Keep learning.